Giga Texas construction update, 30 days ending December 7th, 2020. Welcome to My Tesla Weekend. My goodness, what a difference a month makes. Last month, there was just that single solitary gazebo, and this month it is a veritable pavilion. To the east of it, you can see there are so many footings being put in place, many of them already filled with concrete. And as we move south a bit, the scalloped pit is mudded in. And if you look across the site, there are so many footings already completed. A lot of the things that were just dirt are now offices or parking spaces or otherwise used in the process of building this monstrosity of a machine that builds the machine. What am I missing or misunderstanding? Leave a comment below, and if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up if you appreciate the video, and subscribe if you're not already. It's the only way YouTube knows how to share this with others who share the same fascination with this stuff as you and me. Moving to the south pit, what we saw a month ago was indeed a pit. Now it's half filled in. There's so many footers and foundations and everything needed to build a very large, very heavy structure. And adjacent to it is the concrete pillars with the concrete trusses and concrete roofs. And it's all just getting filled in and completed. I mean, my goodness. Look at her. She's just so pretty. So many of what were just a month ago simple footings now have massive concrete pillars erected atop them. There are additional concrete items being prepared to put into place. And looking at the west side of the property, here you can see the number of footings and geopier installers and rebar placement, prefab. I mean, look at the gosh darn thing. A month ago, it was basically a big, flawless pile of dirt. And this month, it is a site just about ready for massive construction. You can even see to the left there the clearly defined areas for the loading docks, which will very soon be installed. And again, last month, this was just a big, beautiful, open, level, construction-ready field. And this month, it is a place of business. It is constructing. I had not realized that footers had gone that far north on the west side. That is interesting. That area may be complicated on which to build due to the depth of the swamp over which they had to reclaim. They used geotextiles and other advanced remediation systems, so we'll see what happens. Still, I can't say I'm exactly jazzed about the speed of the whole process, but here we are. On the other side of the power lines, towards the switchyard, you can see that a month ago it was just dirt, and that now it is not only well-prepared dirt, but, dirt that's more or less ready for some construction. Once they are ready to install the switchyard, it appears there is sufficient ground, leveled, cleared, graded, etc., that they can just make it work. That's it for this month's update. Stay tuned, stay juicy, and I can't wait to see you clever robots on the flippity flop.